Do we live in a magnetic monopole? 0 November 12, 1994. Is it possible that our universe exists inside a single magnetic monopole produced in the first split second of creation? According to Andre Linda of Stanford University in California, this idea has a lot going for it. Monopoles are hypothetical particles which carry a north or south magnetic pole. Linda is one of the founding fathers of the inflation model of cosmology. According to this highly speculative theory, the visible universe went through a brief period of exponential growth very early in its life, doubling its size hundreds of times in much less than a second. Paradoxically, one of the reasons why theorists invented the idea of inflation was to get rid of magnetic monopoles, which are predicted by many of the grand unified theories that attempt to bring together three of the four basic forces of physics. Standard models of inflation solve the monopole problem by arguing that the seed from which our entire visible universe grew was a quantum fluctuation so small that it contained only one monopole. That monopole is still out there, somewhere in the universe, but it is highly unlikely that it will ever pass our way. But Linda has noticed that the conditions that create inflation persist inside a magnetic monopole even after inflation has halted in the universe at large. Such a monopole would look like a magnetically charged black hole, connecting our universe through a wormhole in spacetime to another region of inflating spacetime. Within this region of inflation, quantum processes can produce monopole-antimonopole pairs, which then separate exponentially rapidly as a result of the inflation. Inflation then stops, leaving an expanding universe rather like our own, which may contain one or two monopoles, within each of which there are more regions of inflating spacetime. The details can be found in an extended version of Linda's Rome talk, written with Dmitry Linda, which has now appeared in the journal Physical Review, Vol. D50, p. 2456. The result is a never-ending fractal structure, with inflating universes embedded inside each other and connected through the magnetic monopole wormholes. Our universe may be inside a monopole which is inside another universe which is inside another monopole, and so on indefinitely. What Linda calls the continuous creation of exponentially expanding space means that monopoles by themselves can solve the monopole problem.